Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2023 Polaris Ranger 1000 with electric power steering. Has a glass tip-out windshield. I'm going to say 20%, maybe 30% tread on the front tires. Canvas doors. 30-40% on the 6-ply rear tires. Has a tilt assist dump box. This machine's got the wiper washer kit, heater with high and low. Has 663 hours, 7,217 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up and drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always give us a call, 406-232-3300.